In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say goodbye in Chinese. Are you ready?
再见
Goodbye.
再见，大卫。
再见。再见。再见，王伟。
明天见。
再见。
再见
means goodbye.
再见
Goodbye. When Chinese leave, they say
再见
to each other as farewell.
再见
Goodbye.
再见
Goodbye.
Zài
Can be replaced by times of the day, such as
明天
tomorrow,
早上
morning,
下午
afternoon, and
晚上
evening.
明天见
Is see you tomorrow.
下午见
Is see you in the afternoon.
晚上见
Is see you in the evening.
In this lesson, we learned how to say goodbye in Chinese.
再见
Goodbye. See you next time.